Meet the most versatile way to mount your phone, WindshieldFone. Here's how to install it. First, choose the length of WindshieldFone based on your dashboard's depth. You have 3 options: a short, a medium, and a long arm that extends. Next, choose how the base is attached, with the lever facing up or down. This will depend on your vehicle, its windshield, and where you mount it. Either way works, but we recommend mounting with the lever facing down. This will help prevent blocking or limiting your vision. That's how I'm installing mine today, with the long arm fully extended, the lever down, and the knobs facing up. Fit the suction cup into your desired position, making sure the lever is loose. For extra tension and stability, press down on the extended arm and then tighten the knob while pressing the base up against the glass. Now snap that lever into place. Since we're using the extended arm, I'm going to add a stabilizing bumper. Secure it to the section of the arm that's closest to the edge of the dashboard. You could point the flat end up or down depending on the topography of your dashboard. For smaller dashes, follow the same process using either the short or medium arms. Thank you for purchasing WindshieldFone, proudly designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA by WeatherTech.